Do you have a question about a repair in your nuclear plant? If so, the Information Exchange tool developed by EPRI WRTC provides you with the ability to ask and receive immediate feedback from all nuclear utility members across the world. How does this work? Listen to Principal Team Leader Nick Moore on how you can ask your question today.
The first step to submit your question is to contact myself or Greg Frederick. Once the questions are determined, we will then work to create the draft in the correct survey format. When completed, we'll then send the survey out directly to the WRTC members. We typically receive responses in 1 to 2 days or sooner, depending on the urgency.
But that's not all. EPRI WRTC members also have direct access to the entire database of questions and answers provided in previous years. To access this database, go to wrtc.epri.com and click Information Exchanges on the left column of the page.